at the Waco ISD Men's Empowerment Summit. As you embark on this journey, my hope is that you seize every opportunity presented to you today. This summit is a platform specifically designed with your growth and empowerment in mind.
Short-term goals.
Boys to Men is a social skills for boys, ages 4th grade through 5th grade, where we teach boys life skills such as how to tie a tie. We change them to how to change a flat tire in a car. We teach them how to change a battery in a car. We also teach them how to respect authorities, conflict resolution, decision making, and then we also teach them like about hygiene and fitness.
It's important to learn these things because you don't want to grow up and just like be a rude person and mean.
It starts from the elementary school, middle school to high school, so it ties all in together. It's a whole 360, but the ultimate goal is for our young men and our young women to at least get a high school diploma.
I attended the Boys to Men program in Alta Vista for 4th grade and 5th grade, and I liked it so much because it taught me how to be a man.
The Boys to Men program is similar to this because it's men's empowerment, because they both try to make sure you're successful in life.
I wanted them to remember what myself, Mr. Trice, and Mr. Curtis did, and for them to be able to be like, I want to come to school and be a teacher, or I come work from communities in school and be a site coordinator, so I can have that impact on younger guys just like they had that impact on me.
Mr. Rante helped us become a man, teach us more things how to become independent.
So yeah, when I first started, I had about 15 kids. It was all 5th graders. Now I have a total of 75.
My favorite thing to learn is how to tie bows and be a man and stand up straight.
Because if you can tie a tie, you tie your success all together at one time. It definitely builds confidence.
I would hope that it continues because it can help out a lot of kids that rather are doing drugs and stuff or thinking about it.
In the spirit of unity and mentorship, cultivate relationships that enhance your journey. May this summit be a vehicle for your personal and collective growth. Make the most of this opportunity and let the pathways to success become a map to a brighter tomorrow.